Good morning everybody, we are back at the river and the waters have gone down lots and lots, as you can see. Yeah, let's get straight to it guys and see what we can find. A nice bit of pottery there. We're not going to take that because we have hundreds of bits like that. So yeah, at last the waters have gone down. I'm not sure how long we're going to stay this shallow for because obviously we've got lots of bad weather coming and things like that. So yeah, keep fingers crossed guys. Awesome. It's quite nice, isn't it? Oh, pipestone. Oh no, twig. Oh gosh. Right, so let's not waste any time. Let's head down there. Let's do that now guys. Oh, what we just seen there? Oh, I thought I saw something. Actually, there could be, if I spend a minute or two here, there could be some bits. That's cool, we'll take that. That's nice, that's like a Bellantine or Bellarmine jug or something. We'll take that. Okay, let's head up to the other place. Let's go. And we'll take that with us. It's quite nice. I like that. Yeah, your first find of the day. Awesome. Right, let's chuck that in there. Wow, it is quite low, isn't it? Look at that, half a thingamabob. Victorian Ridgeware. Yeah, some nice bits of pottery, but I'm not going to try and grab it from here because my hands get too cold. What am I like? Terrible at that. A bit of pottery there. Oh, it's gone. Oh, that's an interesting bit. No, maybe not. Leave that bit. Wow. The weather's beautiful now. Right. Ooh, it's a big bit. Look at that. We'll take that. That'll come back for sure. Fantastic. Look at this big bit over here as well. Lovely. Right, I don't have my pouch, so it's going to be a bit tricky for me to put things away. Bear with me. Oh, there's lots and lots of plain pottery everywhere, all over the place. But right, let me just put these back. Oh wow, that's a nice bit. Oh, that's nice as well. We'll take that. Gosh. Let's put these near my camera. Oh wow, it's so cold. Absolutely freezing guys. Wow, 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 wow. I just saw a metal thing, did I? Oh no, I thought it was something special. No, okay. What is that? Big twig trying to get me? Right, I did see something else quite big earlier, a minute ago, but I don't know where it was now. I've lost it. Oh gosh guys, what am I going to do? Another bit there, look at that. What am I going to do with myself? That's a lovely bit, that'll come back. Quite nice, quite pretty. I'll take that. Oh, getting a bit deep now. I have to watch where I'm going. Ah, gosh, guys, yeah. It's almost like it has All the pickers have been to clear everything up. Oh no, there's a nice bit. There we go. Awesome. Oh, look, there's a bit. Just waiting to be picked up. Fantastic. What we found the other day. Oh yeah. Part of a knife or a fork handle. We'll take that. Oh gosh, it was bloody cold. I keep going on about it and sniffing and stuff, but boy. I mean, how much does that look like a pipe stem? Just a twig. Just a little twig. And there's tons and tons of pottery, right? Obviously, because you guys can see it as well, you know. But there's a lot of plain stuff, so I'm guessing, well, that's a nice bit. Possibly. Yeah, it's quite old, chunky. That'll come back. Oh, I just seen another little sliver. There we go. Not seeing anything too distinctive or old at the moment. I might have to pour the coffee out in a minute to keep myself warm. Tons and tons of glass and brick, old bits of brick and things. That's not a bad bit. What's that? That's cool. And that's quite a nice little bit as well. It's quite old. Take that. That's pretty cool. I'll take that. Oh, get in. Right, can you... Oh my gosh, okay. Right, just spotted two things. 1, 2. Where's the second? Right, we'll go for the second. Awesome. Fantastic. Yay. And just spotted a bit of green pottery there as well. Oh, that could be medieval green glaze. I think it is. Fantastic. That'll come back. What else did I see there? That thing. But I've just found another fossil. Fantastic. Actually, I'm not sure if that is or not. I'm not sure if that is. It looks like it. It's on the ground. I'm going to leave it because I'm not 100% convinced if that is a fossil. Like the tile, the nice rim. See what's under this brick. Not much there. Oh. He says. Nice bit. That's cool. Right. Let's have a look a little further out into, oh gosh, into the water. I nearly fell over then. Bit of blue and white there, I'll leave it, it's only a small bit. Oh, that's a nice bit. Can you see that? That is a nice bit. That's lovely. Awesome. Wow, so cold. But just seen a couple of nice bits of pottery Oh yes, I have. Wow. So there's that bit there. That's quite pretty. Wow, that's that one. Put that in the pocket. We've got, oh gosh, that one. It's quite pretty. Put that in the pocket, and right next to that was this big bad boy. Oh, with a big rose or something on. And just make it out. Epic. That'll come back. Oh, wow. My hands are like ice. And wow. Oh, what's that? There's a bit of pottery there, but I've just seen something here. Oh, that's broken. I got a bit of pottery there. That's quite cool. Jesus. Oh my god, guys. My hands. Oh, I can see some pipe stems. Oh, I like blocks of ice. Right, I'm going to leave that little pipe stem. Oh, there's a pipe stem there as well. Oh gosh. I don't like, oh, there's pipe stems there. Oh my god, I'm like 4 or 5 pipe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pipe stems. Oh gosh, I don't want to leave them, but I'm going to have to at the moment. Unless I get my hands warmed back up and then come back and grab it. Right, I saw something a minute ago that was, here we are. That's nothing. Ah, bugger. Oh gosh, right. I'm going to have a coffee in a second, guys. Coffee and warm up a little bit because, yeah. All my knobbly bits are going to drop off in a minute. Remember, guys, seriously, if you can see anything that I don't spot, shout it out. Oh, look. Oh, that's quite cool. We'll take that. Get that out of the flipping river. Fishermen can't help it sometimes when we get tangled up and things like that. I used to do it when I fished with my brother and my dad all the time. Oh, look, that's a nice green bit with some leaves. Don't need the leaves. Yay! Awesome. Right. Just put them there. Is that still recording? Yeah. Let me turn that off. Stop that. Fantastic. Right. Hi guys, welcome back. So yeah, it's a freezing cold day. I'm wrapped up as warm as what I can be. I've got a bag on my back, so I'll put it on if it gets too nippy. Can't see that there. But yeah, we found some alright bits of pottery so far. Excuse me. I thought there'd be a little bit more, but I did come the other day and picked up quite a lot. But I think people have been down in the last sort of day or two as the rivers, as the waters recede. Oh, yeah, so I'm going to have a coffee because it's freezing, as I keep saying. It's really, really cold. It's like 2 degrees or something. And I've got no gloves on. Ooh, big bit of pottery. 1 second. Oh, nothing on it. Never mind. Would have been nice. Got a little pretty pattern on the pottery itself, but yeah. Right. Oh, I did find this earlier, just really quickly. So it's a bottleneck and it's got like a metal something inside. I don't know. I might have a look, see what that's all about. Right, coffee time. Enjoy. Well, guys, so I just moved this rock, that one, and I've just found a pipe stem, a pipe ball. Actually, I might have found another one. Is that one? No, no. But there is one here. It's smashed. It's broke, but guys, it's a pipe ball. Fantastic. Look at that. Epic. It's quite an early one, that as well. Oh, I've not seen that design. It's got two little nodules on it, can you see? Yeah, there you go. Not seen that before. That's quite interesting. We will definitely be taking that. Shame that it's broke, but we can't all be winners, can we? Seeing if there's anything else under there. Not that I can really move or check. Right guys, yeah, awesome pipe ball. Half of the pipe ball. Fantastic. Hi guys, so we've come back to the other little location. Oh, I've just found, oh my gosh, okay. So, let's found a box stopper. Oh, it's a World War II or World War I one, a rare one. Oh my god, fantastic. We'll look at that in a minute. Fantastic. Wow. So yeah, we got to this location and it looks to be quite full of awesome bits. So let's get straight to it, guys. So, zoom out a bit. Okay, so I've just found that box stopper. There's a bit of pottery there. There's little, oh look at that beautiful bit of pottery. Wow. We'll take that. That's ours. Well, that will come back with us. Now, a new home. A bit of pottery there, we'll leave that bit. Right, so what I'm going to do is have a quick scour around with the eyes, see if anything's showing up. Bit of pottery there, really crazy. Bit of pottery handle there. I'm hoping that I'll find some pipe balls here, because well, I thought it was a pipe stem. Because I normally find balls here if I look closely enough. Oh wow, look at the old pan. Guys, look at that. Let me take that out. Wow. I've just found a drone as well. So there's a drone just down there. We'll have a look at that in a minute. What's this thing here? Is that anything? Yeah, something. I'm going to leave that. I'm dropping it back in. I know I shouldn't, but I'm not taking that with me today. I'm only taking good bits today. Leave that bottom. So yeah, there's a lot of broken bits of pottery and random pieces. I'll have a good proper search in a minute. I just want to have a quick glance over, make sure I don't miss anything big. What is that? Mercury? Oh my god. Okay, that's interesting. We'll have a look at that. Put that in the pocket. Bit dangerous, isn't it, mercury? Right, let's go and have a look over this section quickly. Oh gosh. Oh, the sand is very... there's a fishing reel there. Jeez. Big old fishing reel. Wow. Get that out. I will dispose of them, actually, if I remember. I can't see much along here at the moment. Ooh, awesome bit of pottery. Some sand's falling away there. Let's see if it's revealed anything. No. Wow, look at that huge battery. That's a massive part of the battery. Don't want that in, we'll take that out. We have green tile, gonna leave that. Oh wow, that's a shame, isn't it? That's lovely though. Nice shape, we'll take that. Must remember where I'm putting all these bits. Yeah, nice bit of pottery here, we'll take this bit for sure. That's cool. Put that in the pocket. So that thing there, that's the drone. I'll have a look at it in a minute. Nothing on that bit of pottery there. Any bottle stoppers there? No. It's quite an old neck. There's a tiny little pipe fragment there, I'm going to leave that. What's this here? Oh, looks like it's been burnt. That's cool, I'm going to leave that bit, I'm going to take that bit. I'm getting closer to that drone. Right, let's go and have a look, shall we? Looks like it would have been a nice drone as well, to be honest. Oh yes, look at that. The second drone I've ever found. Right. That could be a professional drone. Possibly. Oh, I'm going to take that bit. I'm going to take that bit as well. Look at that. I wonder if there's any... Don't want to get it covered in sand, do I? Not that it'll probably do anything to it. But yeah, cards might be still in that. Camera, look at that. That's fantastic. Definitely having that. See if I can get anything to work on it. Awesome. Right. Wow. Oh my god, I told you guys. I bloody well told you. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Wow. That's a really oddly shaped one. It's like a little stubby. That's amazing. I'm so happy with that. Fantastic. Oh my gosh. 2 pipe balls. Epic. Or 1.5, because that other one's broke. Right, let's see if we can find any more. Wow. Can't believe that. Just laying there waiting for me to come and pick it up. Just check that tile. Yeah, it's a plain one. Not going on there. I don't know what that is. Part of an old can. Oh, what's this? Oh, you're kidding. That's pretty cool. That's really pretty cool. Yeah, we'll take that. Viking treasure. Don't think it is, obviously, but yeah, we'll take that. Somebody's lost that, haven't they? Turning out to be a bad day, actually. So guys, Doesn't look any much, but it's a huge boulder. That's my hand, and that is something. So you can see where it's worked there, arch or something like that. I'm not going to say it's a grinding wheel because it's too thick and completely wrong shape for a grinding wheel. I think that is off something to do with a castle or something like that, I'm going to guess. Yeah, there's nothing on that side, so... Oh. Ouch, that really hurt my foot. You can see that it's been carved there. That's an interesting one. Nice bit of pottery there, and then leave that bit. Yeah, it gets a bit deeper, can't see any water there. But yeah, that's quite interesting. It's not smooth enough to be a grind wheel. Oh, that's quite a nice piece. It's got some markings on there. Epic. I just spotted this big piece. It's not that old, but I'm going to leave it. Actually, let's have a look, shall we? Yeah, it's not too old. Lovely colour, but yeah, we'll leave it. There's nothing I can really do with anything like that. Wow, can't believe that pipe bowl was just laying there, guys. Unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. What size is that? That would have been huge. It's a very old piece of pottery, almost medieval greenware, I would say, on that. A hint of a green glaze. Very thin. I'll take that, we'll have a look. Oh, what have I just spotted there? Can you see? Oh, that's nothing. But can you see? Where is it? Under that stone there's a little white thing. Yeah, a little button. No, it's not. It's a tiny little shell. What was a button? That's cool. I'll take them. It's been alright today. Some awesome finds. Not awesome bits of pottery. Not finds per se, but yeah. It's quite nice. Oh. No, it's not human. Thought it was at first, but it's not. Long shape of teeth. Bit of lead wood. Oh, God, stuck. Right, we'll be back in a minute, guys. Just found a beautiful bit of slipware, guys. Look at that. That's an amazing piece of slipware. Beautiful, in fact. So much like a vanilla slice, aren't they? Awesome. And here we are back at the bags, guys, on the camera. And our awesome little bit of slipware. Hi guys, so thanks for watching. I'm going to do a roundup. I'm going to go and have the coffee and something to eat, and yeah, if you are new, please like, subscribe, hit the notification button to all. Enjoy videos, guys, and
there's a lot of colors I don't know where to go. See a lot of colors, only feeling blue. There's a lot of colors lost within a haze. Don't rely on others to get you through the maze. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea, cannot take this anymore. There are a lot of voices drowning in the sea. There's too many voices talking back at me. There are a lot of choices waiting to be made. Too many choices making me afraid. Dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea, cannot take this anymore. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea, cannot take this anymore. A certain shade of blue will always remind me of you. Enough.